Hello, everyone. I wanted to take a couple of minutes with you this morning to talk about something that's really important. We have exactly 11 days to change our birthday cards to make sure that next year in 2021, our birthday cards are fresh, right? We want fresh birthday cards every year, and it's a good practice to just change them out on January 1st. Now, if you started on June 15th with us and you've been sending stuff out since June 15th and you want to make that date June 15th, that's okay too. But if you're like the rest of us, we just kind of like to start the new year fresh. And boy, I really want to start this new year fresh. So what I'm going to do today is this. I'm going to show you how to change your birthday card and gift before January 1st. So all your birthdays that you're celebrating for your customers and friends and loved ones will have a fresh card and not the same card that you sent this year in 2020. So how do we do that? Well, let's go take a look and see what's going on over here in Mailbox Power. Okay, you know what? I'm just going to take this full screen so everybody can see exactly what I'm talking about. Here we go. Okay, so here we are in Mailbox Power, and I want to change my birthday campaign. So I go to the main menu. I go to the campaign builder. Right? Main menu, campaign builder. Now I have a lot of campaigns, but yours are just going to be named birthday plus brownies or birthday only. And mine is right here, and it's called Joe's Birthday Auto. And I click options, edit campaign. And here is my campaign with 2 shipments. I have a birthday card that goes out 7 days before someone's birthday on my list. And I have a half birthday card that goes out 180 days before their birthday. And I'm going to change both of these. I'm going to add a new card and gift for my birthday by clicking edit. And you're going to wait a minute because this is where a lot of the auto magic happens. Here we are. I'm going to actually go ahead and edit this. And how I do this is I'm going to go here and add a project. Now, I've already typed I already have my projects in here, and I used a really good name. I called it 2021 Joe's Birthday, half birthday, right? So this is my birthday, and here is my card right here. Okay, and I've added that. I'm going to add now the blondie that I'm sending out. Perfect. And I'm going to remove from the shipment my old ones by clicking remove from shipment. Now, when I'm done, all I have to do is click save shipment. Okay, perfect. So that one's done. Now, here's my half birthday card. I want to change that. So again, I click edit and I wait a sec. No big deal, right? Now, if you see any of this stuff down below, you need to just give it a second to redraw, and there it is. Okay, here we are. So half birthday 2020, that's this card. I am going to actually add a project, and I'm going to type in 2021 because that's how I named my stuff, and here it is. Add the card, remove the old one by clicking remove from shipment. I click save shipment, and voila. I'm actually done. I don't have to do anything else. All I did was change my old birthday cards to new birthday cards, and that is it. Now, one thing that we have to be super cognizant of is this. So when I go back to the home page, how do I find things? How do I add a project? Well, they have to be in your saved projects. That's where they have to be. So they have to be in here in your saved projects to actually add to a campaign. How do I get something to the saved projects? I open the project and just click return to saved projects, and it will actually be there for you. So with that being said, I know that was not overly complicated, right? I think that took a whole like 2 to 3 minutes to change your birthday card. What you have to do is my suggestion. Go to the design store, choose a couple of birthday cards that you like. And then, matter of fact, let's go practice that really quick. I'll extend this just a couple more minutes just because I think it's good practice for us to do this. So let's go to the design store really quick. So main menu, design store. Here we are. And in the design store, we have the ability to actually just look for birthday, right? So we click on birthday. And what shows up are all these birthday cards and gifts everywhere, right? So there's a happy half birthday, right? That's pretty cool. A little cat cut in half. But anyway, as you can see, there's all kinds of different things here to choose from. Let's take a look at this one. This is a great, this is a free one. It's great. Plaidfish, add it again. Love her. All right, so I click on this and let's go take a look at what's going on in here. Okay, I click add to my account because I like this one. It's free. All right, I click add to the account. And let's take a look at the birthday card really quick. What is it? Yep. Happy birthday to you. First name right on the front of the card. And then, right, first name. It's time for a little bit of cake and a lot of fun. Happy birthday. Hope you have a fantastic day. Sincerely, return first name. Put your name there. Okay, so I want to use this card and these brownies. So how do I do that? Well, let's just get to it. I click Edit Design. Okay. And like I said, once this is actually, you've opened this up and you click return to save projects, it's now in your you can add it to a campaign, but you actually have to open it to get there. So now I'm going to go back to the design store. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click view purchase designs. And that one should be, oh boy. Okay, let me go back to birthdays here. It didn't work that way. So I go back to birthdays, and here it is. And I open it up. And by the way, I'm going to mark this as a favorite, right? So I can always come back to it by just clicking View Favorite Designs. But now I want to use these 2 pack of brownies or the cake bites. Let's do the cake bites. I click Edit Design. All right, here we go. Perfect. All right. Now, return to save projects. So now this is also in my saved projects, and I'll be able to find these. And here they are. Extravaganza. That is the word I'm going to be looking for. So sometimes I just I copy the word, right? So when I know when I'm going to go search for it, I can find it. But again, if I were going to add those to my birthday campaign, I would go to the campaign builder, right? And I would go find my birthday campaign. Now, I have a lot of them, sorry, but here it is, my birthday auto. I click options, edit campaign, and here they are, right? So if I'm going to change this out, I click edit. I'm going to edit that shipment for the birthday. Okay. And like I said, give this a second. Let it do its thing. Hopefully internet's going to be, there we go. Okay. So these are the 2 things in my shipment. I click add a project. Okay, and I'm just going to put that word in there, extravaganza, and here's my 2 items, right? Add project for the cake bites, and now all I would have to do is remove these from my shipment, click save, and it would be done. All right, I think we all I hope you all understand what's going on. If you don't, click in the chat box in the bottom right corner and ask for some help, because we would be happy to help you get where you're going. We appreciate each and every one of you and your ability to grab a hold of this stuff and make it work. We'll make sure and put this on YouTube so everybody can have access to it as well. But let's get your birthday cards changed out, okay? Let's get them changed out this week before the end of the year. Thank you, everybody. I appreciate each and every one of you for being a customer of Mailbox Power, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye-bye.